All right, here we are. This is lesson 7 of our App Lab unit, or actually, and it's page 8. All right, so now we're going to collect user input. All right, on this screen, you'll use text labels and text input design elements to set up the different words you want the user to provide. The next button takes you to screen 2 to view the full Mad Libs. Okay. This is like what they want us to do here. Screen 2, if you view Mad Libs, on this screen you will use the text area design element to create the space. Okay, pretty easy. All right, do this first of all. So, and by the way, it's like this is the general stuff. You read through it, and then here's what they want it to look like, and then they tell you step by step how to do it. All right, first of all, create 2 screens for your app. Okay, so require at least 3 separate words from the user. Now, we can make it look exactly like theirs, or you can say whatever kinds you use at least 3. So I'm going to go to my design mode, and I'm going to get some labels here. 1, 2, I'm going to do 4 here. 3, and 4. And for each one, let's see, I can just pick what I want. I want to have an adjective. This one, oh wait, hold on. So now I need to have my input. Oh wait, I need to give it the text. Come on, text. Adjective. Why isn't it working? Oh, that's just the ID. And the text is going to be adjective. This one is going to be a noun. This one I'm going to make a verb. And this one I'm going to make another verb, just for fun. All right, now I need to get my text input boxes, just like they did. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I have to give them good names because I'm going to be doing this. So I'm going to call this adjective input. This one I'm going to call noun input. This one I'm going to call verb 1 input because I have 2 verb ones. I'm going to call this verb 2. And I have to name these boxes because later on I'm going to be getting them from. And then what else do they want? Ooh, they wanted a box that says next. Okay, or a button. Beep, beep, beep. And it's going to say, I'm going to call it the next button. Once again, you got to give it a new thing, and it'll just say next. Now for my second page, let's see what they want it to look like. Oh, there's just a couple things. Now, by the way, I didn't put the Mad Lib Learning to Drive part. You can do that if you want. Doesn't really matter that much. So I'm going to go over here and hit new screen, or you could drag up another screen. I'm going to call this my output screen. And this is a couple things. I'm going to put a little label up here if I want. Learning to drive. And I'm going to grab a text box, is what they want me to do. Text area. I'm going to make it big. And once again, you have to give your text areas a good name. I'm going to call this the output text. All right, and the last thing I'm going to do is add a button at the end. And it needs to say what? Play again. I'm going to call it the play again button. And it's going to say, yeah, that's right, play again. All right, this one is a little bit more involved. So now we've created 2 pages. In the screen 1, I'm going to call this my input screen. There you go. I've got my 2 pages, got the input that says next. We're good to go. All right, ready for page 9.
Mr. Perryman.